BRAINCOM presents. Have you ever wondered what qualities make a woman truly irreplaceable in a relationship? You see, the concept of the perfect woman is as diverse as humanity itself. What one person may perceive as perfection, another might see as ordinary. It's a subjective realm, colored by our individual experiences, cultural backgrounds, personal beliefs, and even our dreams. So, when we talk about the perfect woman, it's not about ticking off a universal checklist. It's about recognizing the qualities that resonate with you personally, that align with your values, and that fulfill your needs in a relationship. Sure, physical attraction plays a part, there's no denying that, but it's like the cherry on a sundae. It's great, but it's not what makes the sundae. The real substance lies beneath the surface, in the individual flavors that come together to create the whole experience. In the context of a woman, it's her qualities, her empathy, her independence, her honesty, her kindness, and so much more that truly define her. These are the things that make her irreplaceable. But here's the thing, there's no such thing as a universally perfect woman. The perfect woman for you is the one who compliments you, who understands you, who challenges you, and who loves you for who you are. She's the one who has the qualities that you value most. So, what are these qualities, you might ask? Well, that's what we're here to explore. We've identified 15 qualities that, according to relationship experts and real-life experiences, make a woman truly irreplaceable in a relationship. These aren't just plucked out of thin air, they're based on years of research and countless conversations about what makes a relationship truly fulfilling. But remember, this isn't a definitive list. It's a starting point. A guide to help you identify what you value in a woman. It's about recognizing these qualities, appreciating them, and understanding their importance in a relationship. Stay with us as we delve into the 15 qualities that make a woman truly irreplaceable. First off, we have empathy. This trait allows a woman to understand and share the feelings of her partner. Now, let's delve into an example that paints a vivid picture of empathy in action. Consider the story of Sarah, a woman with an extraordinary ability to empathize with her partner, John. John was going through a tough time, dealing with the loss of his job. Sarah didn't just offer comfort or advice. She truly put herself in his shoes, understanding his feelings of insecurity and uncertainty. She shared his stress and anxiety, and this allowed her to provide the exact kind of support John needed at that time. She didn't downplay his feelings or rush him to get over it. Instead, she gave him the space to process his emotions while assuring him that he was not alone. Empathy, my friends, is a powerful quality that can strengthen and deepen a relationship. Another crucial quality is independence. An independent woman does not rely on her partner for her happiness or fulfillment. Picture this, a woman who's not just a partner, but also an individual. She's got her own hobbies, interests, and friendships that she maintains outside of her relationship. Let's take a closer look. Imagine a woman who loves painting. She spends her weekends in her art studio creating magical landscapes and portraits, a world away from her partner's interest in cycling. But rather than this causing friction, it brings balance. They share their passions, their triumphs, and even their challenges, enriching their relationship with new perspectives and experiences. And her friendships, they've been there long before the relationship started, and they remain a constant, providing her with a support system beyond her partner. It's this sense of independence that fosters a healthy, balanced partnership. Independence can lead to a relationship where both partners are equally contributing and growing. Honesty forms the backbone of any successful relationship. Picture this. There's a woman named Lucy. Now, Lucy had this amazing ability to express herself truthfully without causing harm or offense. She was in a relationship with a man named David. In the early stages, David made a mistake. Instead of ignoring it or sweeping it under the rug, Lucy chose to address it. She did it in such a way that David didn't feel attacked or criticized. Instead, he felt understood and appreciated. Lucy's honesty helped David to see his mistake and, more importantly, to rectify it. This open communication built a strong foundation of trust between them. Lucy's honesty wasn't brutal. It was kind, it was considerate, it was respectful. It was the honesty that nurtured their relationship, allowing it to grow and flourish. In every sense, Lucy's honesty was a testament to her character, a beacon of trust and respect. Honesty is truly a quality that should never be underestimated. Patience, respect, passion, and kindness. These four qualities are essential for any lasting relationship. Let's dive deeper into each of them, shall we? Take patience, for instance. Picture a woman. Let's call her Jane. Jane's partner, John, is an aspiring novelist. His dream is to get his book published, but the journey is long and challenging. Jane, however, stands by him, encouraging him, reading his drafts, and listening to his frustrations. Even when progress seems slow, Jane's patience never wavers. She supports John's ambitions with unwavering faith and patience. Next up, we have respect. Respect isn't just about big decisions, it's about understanding and honoring your partner's boundaries, even in the smallest of things. Let's take a look at Emma. Emma's partner Liam values his alone time. He needs it to recharge. Instead of getting upset or feeling neglected, Emma respects this need. She gives him the space he requires, understanding that everyone has their own ways of rejuvenating. Now let's talk about passion. Passion is that spark that keeps the relationship exciting and dynamic. Picture Sarah. Sarah is passionate about her relationship with Mark. She puts effort into their dates, surprises him with his favorite meals, and keeps the spark alive by continuously showing him her love in unique ways. Her passion for their relationship keeps it vibrant and alive. Lastly, there's kindness. Kindness is a universal language that everyone understands. Consider Bella. Bella's partner, Ethan, had a rough day at work. Instead of brushing it off, Bella listens to him, offers comforting words, and does small things to make his evening better. She shows him kindness because she knows that in every situation, kindness can make a significant difference. These qualities, patience, respect, passion, and kindness, are not just words, they are actions, they are choices, and they are the foundation of a strong, healthy relationship. These qualities make a woman truly special in a relationship. The last 8 qualities, creativity, adaptability, confidence, ambition, humility, generosity, optimism, and self-awareness, are what make a woman truly irreplaceable. Consider creativity. You know, it's not just about painting a masterpiece or writing a novel. It's about using imagination to keep a relationship alive. It's about a woman who surprises her partner with little gestures, who finds new ways to say, "I love you," who brings innovation into everyday moments. That's the kind of creativity that can make a relationship feel fresh, even after many years. Now, let's talk about adaptability. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, but an adaptable woman doesn't let these changes shake her. Instead, she embraces them. She learns from them. She's the kind of woman who can turn a problem into an opportunity, who can turn a setback into a comeback. And in doing so, she teaches her partner the power of resilience. Then there's confidence. A confident woman knows her worth. She doesn't seek validation from others because she validates herself. She's proud of who she is, of what she's achieved. And this confidence, it's contagious. It inspires her partner to feel the same confidence, to chase their own dreams, to be their best self, and ambition. An ambitious woman isn't just focused on her own success. She wants her partner to succeed too. She's the kind of woman who pushes her partner to reach for the stars, who believes in their potential even when they don't. She's their biggest cheerleader, their most honest critic. Her ambition isn't about competition, it's about growth. Humility is another key quality. A humble woman remains grounded no matter how high she soars. She's the kind of woman who celebrates her achievements without belittling others, who acknowledges her mistakes without dwelling on them. She shows her partner that true success is measured not just by what you gain, but by who you become. Generosity, too, is crucial. A generous woman gives without expecting anything in return. She's the kind of woman who shares her time, her energy, her love freely. She teaches her partner that the greatest joy in life comes not from receiving but from giving. Then there's optimism. An optimistic woman sees the best in her partner. She focuses on their strengths, not their weaknesses. She's the kind of woman who finds hope in the darkest times, who sees the silver lining in every cloud. She shows her partner that every challenge is an opportunity to grow, to learn, to become better. Finally, self-awareness. A self-aware woman understands her strengths and weaknesses. She knows what she wants, what she needs. She's the kind of woman who's not afraid to look in the mirror, to face her fears, to confront her flaws. She teaches her partner the power of self-reflection, of self-improvement, of self-love. These qualities make a woman not just a partner, but a soulmate. If you find a woman with these qualities, never let her go. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so then you get notified of our next post. Also, to learn about many other interesting topics, be sure to check our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.